Tailor Brands LLC Formation Service Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. Tailor Brands is an LLC formation service that focuses on providing an all-in-one solution for entrepreneurs, particularly those who also need branding and design services. It's a great option for new business owners who want to establish their LLC while also creating a professional brand identity. Tailor Brands offers LLC formation services alongside logo design, business cards, and other branding materials, making it a standout choice for entrepreneurs looking to get their business up and running quickly with a cohesive brand image. The core features of Tailor Brands include LLC formation, registered agent services, and EIN filing. They make the LLC formation process simple, guiding you through the steps to complete your incorporation. One of the highlights of Tailor Brands is its branding toolkit. Once your LLC is formed, you can instantly create a logo, design a business card, and even get your social media handles aligned with your new brand identity. This makes it a one-stop shop for both the legal and visual aspects of starting your business. Their dashboard is user-friendly, and the whole process is streamlined, ensuring you won't get bogged down in complicated paperwork. However, there are some weaknesses. Tailor Brands is priced higher than some other LLC formation services, particularly if you opt for premium branding services. The focus on design and branding may be a bit overwhelming for entrepreneurs who are primarily looking for basic LLC services. Also, some of the add-ons like ongoing legal advice and tax services come at an additional cost. In conclusion, Tailor Brands is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs who are looking to form an LLC and build a brand at the same time. Its user-friendly platform and bundled services make it easy for business owners to get started. However, it may not be the best fit for those looking for a more budget-friendly or straightforward LLC formation service without the need for branding materials.